Thank you, sir. Thank you, faculty members. Thank you, organizers, for inviting me. And special thanks to Satya for randomly saying that, hey, there's a data science one-day workshop. Would you like to attend? I immediately jumped on the opportunity because this is what I've been doing for the last many years. And I'd love to share my experiences with you. So I had a 1-hour presentation prepared, so I'm going to just point out certain things for about 15-20 minutes. And if you have any question anyway, just feel free to interrupt anytime. Okay, this I have to say before any presentation. But basically, like, I'm representing myself, not my company in any way. Okay, so don't sue my company. Sue me if you want. Okay. All right, next one. Next one. So, in a way, I'm lucky because I got the last slot before lunch, so he's going to have a real tough time coming after this and trying to hold your attention. So, a brief introduction. We talked about, I did my BSc Applied Science at the MCA over here. One of the best times of my life, 6 years. Then I also did my MS in Applied Statistics after I started getting into machine learning. Now, for data science, there are some fundamental pillars. One is statistics. And the other things like, you have come across like data structures and all those things. But statistics is one of the foundational things. I did get an opportunity to work on that. I was working, the first half of my career, I worked as a traditional software engineer, writing code, system developing system, and all those things. Then I gravitated towards purebred analytics. And right now, like, I work in various domains, but in the last few years, I've been focusing on healthcare, especially in pharmaceuticals. Now, I'm part of a team in my current job, and our primary job is to look around the world for pioneering work, either in algorithms, or with data, or with some niche software products. So we reach out to universities, pretty much all the universities in the world, and if anybody's doing in the either a PhD level or postdoc level, doing some interesting work that's of interest to us, we try to benefit from that mutually. And we also look for upcoming technologies. Now, I'll put that in the context of where it fits it into my day job. The next slide. So I want to set base with how I look at data science. To me, it's very simple. Like, there are 4 steps involved. Again, this is not universal. This is not like Newton's law or something like that. This is how I view it, okay? So you always have a question that you want to solve. Like, you have a business problem. You might say that, I'll stick my examples to healthcare. I'm sure you'll, let's say heart attack, right? Like, my question is, if I have data, can I predict if somebody is going to have a heart attack in the next 1 month, right? Or what is the best, right? The best is if it's heart attack, like, it'll be great. If you think about it, if I tell somebody you're going to have a heart attack in the next 10 years, it's interesting, but people are not going to take it very seriously, right? So the time scale is, the information is accurate, but it's not very useful. But if I tell somebody, you're going to have a heart attack next minute, right? It's also not very useful, right? It's probably relevant, but so you come up with the right question. So when you have a question, say the question might be, I actually work in my company has drugs in 2 areas. One is neurology, another one is immunology, and I work on the neurology side. So my team